video, we're going to take a look at a word problem. If an adult ticket to the zoo is $9.95, while a child ticket to the zoo is $6.75, if we know that 100 tickets were sold for $931, then how many adult tickets were sold? So I'm going to organize this information in a little bit of a chart. Okay. So let's do the price, and we'll do number of tickets, and we'll do total. My chart here is just going to organize the information. Okay. So let's start with the adults. So the adults were $9.95. And let's just say that their tickets are X, their number of tickets, because we don't know. Okay. Now, in order to get the total amount that they earned or they sold for, we would multiply these two together. 9.95x. Okay, let's do the child then. The child, we were told, is $6.75. And the number of tickets, again, we don't know. However, if the adult tickets were X, then we have to take the adults and subtract them from the total number of tickets to get the children tickets. Now, again, we need to multiply these two, and I'm going to use a parentheses here for my children's tickets. All right, now these two totals, the adult tickets and the children's tickets, they have to total the $931 that we were told was made on these tickets. So let's write that equation. I'm going to take these two, 995x, and my 675 times 100 minus x, and I'm going to set that equal to 931, for that's the total ticket sales we were told. So I'm going to deal with the decimals here in a minute. I don't really like them, but I'm going to deal with them for just a minute so that I can distribute this 675. So I'm going to distribute this 675 to this parentheses here. And that's going to give me, I'll still have the 995x, and then 675 times 100. Check that in your calculator if you want. 675, and then minus my 675x equals 931. Okay, now let's collect like terms. So I see two terms that have x's with them, the 995x and the minus 675x. I want to combine those together. And so 995 minus 675 gives me 320x. And then don't forget my 675 here. All right, now I'm ready to start solving. You thought we were solving there, but actually this is where I start solving. I'm going to subtract the 675 from both sides. And that leaves me with the 320x. And that gives me, let's see, 6 and 5 and 256. Okay. And then my last step, I got to get this 320 off there. So I'm going to divide both sides by the 320. And please use your calculator on this one. You're just going to do the 256 divided by the 3.20. And it looks like we end up with 80 adult tickets sold. So we got X is 80. Now, something to think about. I knew this was the adults' tickets because if I look back in my chart, this was the adult row, and I let their number of tickets be X. And that's how it let me know that this was the adult tickets. And that's actually what the problem was asking for.